In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align the elements in Canva. Aligning elements is one of those small things that can make a huge difference in how clean and professional your design looks. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation slide, or a poster, getting everything lined up properly helps your design feel balanced and easy to read. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple, reliable way to do that using Canva's built-in alignment tools. First, make sure you're already in your Canva design with the elements you want to adjust. This could be text, images, shapes, or icons. Start by clicking on the element you want to align. Just move your mouse over it and click once. You'll know it's selected when you see a box appear around it, along with small handles on the corners and sides. If you accidentally click the wrong thing, just click on an empty area of the canvas and then select the correct element again. With your element selected, look towards the top of the screen where Canva's toolbar appears. This toolbar changes depending on what you've selected, but you should see an option labeled Position. Go ahead and click on Position. This is where Canva keeps all of the alignment and layering controls. When you open the Position menu, you'll see different alignment options such as top, middle, bottom, left, center, and right. These let you control exactly where your element sits relative to the page or to other elements. For example, if you want your element perfectly centered on the page, choose the center alignment options, both horizontally and vertically. If you only want it centered left to right, just click the center option under the horizontal section. If you're working with multiple elements, you can select more than one at the same time by holding down Shift on your keyboard while clicking each element. Then, when you use the Position menu, Canva will align those selected elements in relation to each other, which is very useful for evenly spacing text boxes or buttons. After applying your chosen alignment, take a moment to zoom out and look at the overall design. Check that the spacing feels consistent and that nothing looks off balance. You can always tweak the position slightly by dragging the element if needed, but the Position tool gives you a precise starting point. That's all you need to align elements in Canva using the Position option. With just a click on your